And we're taking a look at a SHORESH called kamats. To pinch. I think somebody... Oh, Marjorie. Oh, okay. Okay, she ran away. Okay. All right, let's take a look at this. Kamats is the SHORESH to pinch, like to take a little bit of something, to take a pinch. So how does that relate to the biblical verse? Well, the brief explanation is that the high priest would take a pinch. He would take a pinch of flour for the sacrifice, the meal offering. Some people call it the meat offering, even though it's grain, not meat. The meal offering was a pinch of flour, and it was called a... comes from the SHORESH kamats, to pinch. The komates was that pinch of flour that the priest would take for the offering. So let's take another look at this this worksheet. Before we read the actual verse, let's go through the vocabulary, Gideon, and let's be mindful of our pronunciation rules. There are some in the vocabulary for our biblical verse.
Okay. So late.
So this is a case of two short vowels, which we haven't really learned which are the short vowels, but the cholam is a short vowel, and the segol is a short vowel. So the first short vowel takes the accent. So
Solid.
nice.
Shemen.
Now this is our two segol rule, where again the first segol is the strong accent.
Shemen.
Nice.
Shemen.
Now this one is normal with the accent.
Lavona. Lavona.
There you go. Very good.
Labona.
As Kamara.
Slow it down. Azkara.
As Kara.
There you go. Very. Where we end with a chet and a kamat. See if you recall how this goes.
Yeah. Miz Be'acha.
Actually, it's mizbeach. This is the exception where the kamat.
Yeah. Miz Be'ach.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, there's Marjorie again. I'll have to speak with Marjorie after the lesson.
I think I've
Very
spoken
nice.
with you already.
Okay. All right. The accent rule, the pronunciation rule for the words that end in kamatz chet is the penultimate syllable gets the accent. So in all of these cases where we end with this ach, it's mizbeach. Together, everyone, mizbeach.
Mizbeach.
Very nice. Very nice. The grammar that we're going to learn today, Joseph, is some to the end of the words. These are feminine suffixes. Ta and ah is hers or its with a feminine noun, or it, to it, referring to something feminine. And likewise, the o is a masculine suffix, a possessive suffix that means his, or its, or it, referring to a masculine noun. The is to find our nouns, our vocabulary words within our Hebrew verse, and then to make some sense of the of the prefixes and suffixes that go before and after. So let's take a look at the first verse, Joseph. Can you see a word that you're familiar with? It would be in red.
Yes.
So we see it. Am I imagining that Joseph's with us, or is Joseph with us?
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, okay. The
There
the
is
first word yes. What do you see?
there is there are some sounds.
Let me make sure we're together. We're on the first verse that starts with the giant bold bet. Right underneath the image of the priest holding the flower, and then underneath is the verse we're looking at. The first line, the last word, has the kaf he nun, which is Kohen. Do you recall what Kohen means?
Yes.
Kuhani.
Kuhani,
Right.
a priest.
So, right. So now let's recite that word with its prefix and suffix, Joseph.
HaKohenim. HaKohenim.
Very good.
The
Very
priests.
nice. Right. Well done. And for our new learners, where do you get the and where do you get the plural? What is the prefix and the suffix doing for us?
Ha means there. Kohen means
Right.
priest. Then the ending, the mem suffix ending shows a plural
Right.
form of the priest.
Well done. And priests, well done. Let's recite the first verse kindly, Joseph.
Okay. There are some noise, yes.
And maybe Gideon, do you want to mute brother? Okay.
Yes, let me start.
Okay.
A heavier
Nice. The heavy
vinay Haron
right.
HaKohenim.
Right. Listen carefully. There were just a couple of vowels. The heavy El b'nei Aharon HaKohanim. Let's try once more for fluency.
Okay. A heavy El
Good.
El Bnei
El b'nei
Aharon
Nice.
Hakohenim.
Nice. Let's take a look at line 2, Gideon. We have the shoresh appearing in 2 words. Can you identify where the shoresh appears, our kamats?
Yeah.
Okay.
So ve means and.
Right.
Yep. So the kamat
Nice.
misham
Right. And how
melo.
would you nice.
Yep.
And how would you translate the kamats?
And pinch.
Right, and pinch misham from there. Milo, continue, very nice.
kum,
Beautiful. Do you see the shoresh there? We see the kuf mem tzadi, right?
yeah,
We have the tzadi sofit, but now it's a regular tzadi because it's within the word. So,
yeah.
so kum tso is the nominative form. It means it's pinch. In
Oh.
other words, the is it's pinch. The value of flour that you took, kum tso, it's pinch, it's amount. And the
Okay.
last word, yeah, and the last word,
Misal at.
careful with that
Misal
second to last letter. Misal,
Ata.
misal, ta.
Misal ta.
Nice.
Misal
Let's take a look at the word. Do you see the word in the vocabulary list that's related to misal ta?
Yep.
Which one would it be?
Solate.
Very nice work. So this is the kind of analysis that we do where we become aware of what we call shoresh or shorshim, which are the Hebrew roots. And mostly we're looking at verbs, and then we see how those verbs become nouns, become person, place, thing words, and also how they take prefixes and suffixes. And also I don't want to exhaust everybody, but Gideon, that's very good work. The whole idea is to be able to look at a verse and to recognize our shorshim.
Yep.
Joseph, also very nice work. Let's give both you and Joseph a chance simply to practice reading some Hebrew, and then we can wish each other a good night and a good lesson. Let me go back to the verse. So go ahead and finish the last line, and then we'll let Joseph do the last two lines. So we're on
Okay.
the third line. Yeah.
Misa. Mena.
Ooh, give everything its open vowels, lots of open syllables in this one.
Umisa. Mena.
Generally, your shva within a word would not be in an open vowel. It would usually be a stop sign. Ooh.
Okay.
Try it once more. Ooh,
Mi.
me,
Umisam. Okay, me.
sham.
Sham. Na.
Right. Now put it together.
Umisham na.
Beautiful. So this is a kaf, and it's a special rule where it would be kol.
Call. Yep. Levonata.
Beautiful. Maria, would you like to read the translation for us? Is Maria still with us, or did she check out?
Yeah, I'm here.
Could you read the translation of the verse for us?
And he shall bring it to Aaron's sons, the priests, and he shall take thereout his handful of fine flour thereof, and of the oil thereof, together with all the frankincense thereof.
Very nice. Joseph, will you finish for us the last two lines of Hebrew kindly?
Okay. Vehiktir Hakohein
Beautiful.
et azkar karata
Is that on your end, Gideon?
Gideon, there is some background noise. Et Azkarata.
Wow, nice job. And believe it or not, we go all the way to the end. Azkara. Actually, you said it well. Azkarata. Very nice. Continue. Very nice work.
Hamiz. Veha.
Yes, right. Hamiz Becha.
Ishe.
Nice.
Reich.
Nice job.
Nichoach.
Well done. And your pronunciation of the Lord's name.
La Yahweh.
Beautiful. Very nice job, guys. Beautiful work. And the priest shall make the memorial part thereof smoke upon the altar, an offering made by fire of a sweet savor unto the Lord. Beautiful work, guys. That's all we have for today. Thank you very much for excellent work. And I know the followers are knocking on the door. We just have to encourage them. And either they need courage or they need shillings or both. But very, very grateful for you guys and your dedication to the program. We'll see you all tomorrow night.
Thank you.
All right. להתראות.
Od lecha, achi. Have a good night, guys. Thank you again, Peter. It's a pleasure to have you working with us.